Hey everyone, it's Alyssa and Sarah, and this is my poem called The Loop, a poem on the citric acid cycle. The question runs on repeat in my brain: whatever will happen to the food I just ate? Salivary and pancreatic amylase help to break down starches into simple disaccharides. Now, they surf through our systemic circulation and enter our tissues for cellular respiration. Out of many monosaccharides, one is chosen to embark on a decathlon joyride. Glucose, now cleaved in two, sends its glycolytic progeny somewhere new, away to a kingdom inside whose walls contains the chemiosmotic power that sustains a series of processes too numerous to tell. 'Tis the mitochondrion, the powerhouse of the cell. Pyruvate receives a hardware upgrade by dehydrogenase enzymes into acetyl-CoA. This new substrate channels straight into the citric acid cycle, or what I call the loop. The 2-carbon-CoA joins oxaloacetate, a 4-carbon unit, to form citrate. A synthase enzyme gets this job done, while a conatase catalyzes the next reaction of fun. It's a changing of the guard, a swapping of places that forms isocitrate. Then it's off to the races with two back-to-back steps so forwardly favorable, they cleave 2 carbons without a sigh of disdainful scorn for the 2 new molecules made, alpha-ketoglutarate and succinyl-CoA. Plus, with 2 NAD electron carriers reduced, the electron transport chain will benefit from pyruvate's prolific use. Now, if our new CoA companion arrived but a moment late, it would not have been sheared off in the making of succinate. Not to fret, its departure is no permanent flee, it shall be reused again. For now, we've made GTP. Succinate dehydrogenase then forms an alkene in the new molecule of fumarate while reducing FAD. The next enzyme, fumarase, is stereospecific, forming only L-malate through forces scientific. Malate dehydrogenase lives a life plain and frugal, keeping oxaloacetate concentrations low for the final step's approval. All the while, it generates NADH number 3 for one turn of this cycle, which will help make ATP. Now, we're back to oxaloacetate, our 4-carbon friend who joins acetyl-CoA to start the cycle over again. Now, I know what happens to the food I just ate. Through glycolysis, the citric acid cycle, and beyond, metabolism is pretty great.